Yes, island hopping. That is the thing to do in Coron. Leave Coron City and see the most beautiful lagoons in the world.
Hello, I'm Axel and I'm a solo traveler and I'm traveling the Philippines!
This tour is not an ordinary island hopping because we chartered the ship and they did a special tour for us. This is our first stop, Smith Point Reef. This is for sure another popular snorkeling spot. So if you want to snorkel on, better dive down. The locals know how to do that. Normally, when you go on an island hopping tour, you have your lunch on the boat. But we have a special beach we're going to. And this beach is so beautiful.
So thrilled about this beach, I just can't stop smiling, and it's great. We are going to have lunch at that very beautiful beach. I'm filming anyway, so you can go ahead. It's more fun when there's movement. This is so amazing and fun. I am now in Coron. It's very beautiful. The most beautiful thing about Coron, as you might heard of, is always the spots you go to, and I totally agree on this so far. It's amazing around here.
This lake is usually also very busy and popular, but we were lucky and we arrived shortly before it closed, so we had it all almost by ourselves.
The last one just jumped in. The lagoon is empty. No tourists anymore. And we have to leave too. It's time to go. to Twin Lagoon.
It was close to sunset. The perfect time to take videos and pictures, and they become even more beautiful. It is maybe important to mention that the colors you see are really like that in reality. If you look for the Philippines on Instagram, you will find pictures of the Twin Lagoon, because it's so beautiful. Please don't forget to subscribe. My name is Axel and see you in the next one.